Now let's see how you can find the angle of elevation. So basically it says, this is a question that explains what the angle of elevation is. I think it's very self-explanatory, but just in case, it says that the vertical pole 8 meters high and the length of its shadow is 6 meters. What is the angle of elevation of the sun at that moment? So basically what that means is, if you have this pole, by the way, always draw diagrams, that makes things a lot easier for you. This is an 8-meter pole, right? Sorry, an 8-meter pole, and the sun is casting its shadow at 6 meters. What is the angle of elevation of the sun? Well, just complete this triangle, right? And this will be your angle of elevation. Simple, right? Because again, the elevation of the sun, wherever it is at this angle, which makes this the shadow of this pole at 6 meters, right? Because if you extend this line, this hypotenuse, it eventually reaches the sun, and hence this is the angle of elevation from the ground. So now you have to find this angle, and now it's very simple, right? Again, this is the same diagram. You have to find this angle alpha. And simply, since you're given the opposite and you have been given the adjacent, you can use these two by taking the tangent of alpha. The tangent of alpha is the opposite over the adjacent. The opposite is BC and the adjacent is AB. So now you just take the tan inverse of 8 by 6 or 4 by 3 and you get the angle of elevation alpha, which in this case is 53 degrees and 8 minutes, which is basically just 53.8 divided by 60, right? Because 1 degree is basically 60 minutes, so 1 minute is 1 by 60th of a degree, right? So you can just find that out. 53 point whatever 8 by 60 is, right? So 8 by 60 is just 2 into 4 and 2 into 30, 4 over 30, do that again. So that's 2 over 15, right? So 2 over 15, 53 point whatever 2 over 15 gives you. So yeah,